want to preserve my beans. This when I cook today, I need to preserve them with this nylon. I know they put my food for plastic. Put inside this nylon. Just tie it the way I want to eat, like this. Anytime I want to make use of this, I will take one of it, wet it with water, lose it, and put it inside the microwave. I'm going to tie it. Let's tie it together, guys. As you wash, God bless you. Always like my video and share. Share my video, guys. Okay? The young shall grow. Okay? So this morning, I've been working. After this one, my jollof is on the fire. After that one, I will now cook a nice vegetable soup. It's all for today. Until next week, my elder sister is doing her son's birthday and dedication, 1 year dedication next week. Next week, I will be very busy too. I need to do cake for the birthday. You see, coming from work, doing homework at home. It's not really easy, but we just pray that God should give us strength. Give you. I never sleep since. Leave me to do like that. To do like that, messed up. The way my dad messed up.
I saw the light to be so bliss. I love no people to be blessed. She's a big cook up on the food.
Can see, I'm just already done. Already tired of everything. Take my beans, I will be putting it in the fridge. Anytime I want to eat beans, Thursday one, I put it in the fridge. Okay? That's how I do my own. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.